Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you everything about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. In today's video, we are going to explore the world of AI artistry. Have you ever wondered how AI creates art? How can machines mimic the creativity of human artists? In this video, we will be talking about an AI tool that allows you to create your first masterpiece today. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here we are at the home page of the website. The first thing that is shown to us is enter the prompt, and it says start creating with a prompt. So just below it, we have this text box where we can enter the prompts. Right next to it, we have these buttons like generate prompt guide, gallery style frame, and about. Let's click on generate so that we can see what it does exactly. Okay, so it asks us to describe our idea, and then we have to select the aspect ratio for the image that we want to generate. Then we can select the height and width of the image. Finally, we can select the number of images that we want to generate. By default, it is set to 4, and the model is set to Stable Diffusion, 1.5. Now we can click on Generate and wait for the results. Okay, so here are the generated images. We have different poses of a woman in these images. If we look towards the top left corner, we can see the likes and the name of the model that has been used. We can also download the images by clicking on these 3 dots. It shows us the image metadata, such as the height and width and the likes. And then we can download it in full resolution by clicking on this button. We can also share the link to these images if we want to. Now let us click on Prompt Guide to see what kind of prompts we can use to generate images. Here we have different categories and examples for each category. We have some example prompts as well, and we can also add some extra details to our prompts using these. Now let's click on Gallery to see some previously generated images. These are some amazing artworks created by other users. And I must say, they look really good. We can also like the images that we like. And if we click on the image, it takes us to the image page. From here we can download the image, and we can also comment on the image. We can even remix the image by generating new images based on the selected image. Next, let's click on Style Frame. Here we have different styles of frames that we can apply to our generated images. Currently we don't have any image selected, so we cannot apply the frame. But if we select an image, we'll be able to apply the frame. For example, I am selecting this image now, and I can apply these frames to this image. And we can also change the background of the frame. So this is how the style frame looks like. Let's click on About and see what it says. Okay, so it says that this is a free AI art generator that anyone can use to create beautiful images from text. It uses the power of artificial intelligence to turn your ideas into reality. You can choose from a wide range of styles and settings to create unique and stunning pieces of art. They are constantly adding new features and improving the quality of their images. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this AI tool. So when it comes to the positive aspects of this AI tool, the first thing that I would like to mention is that it is completely free to use. Yes, you've heard that right. You can generate as many images as you want without spending a single penny. This is a great opportunity for artists, designers, and anyone who loves to create. Second, it is very easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert or have any coding skills to get started. All you need to do is enter a prompt, and the AI will do the rest. The interface is very user-friendly and intuitive, which makes it a breeze to navigate. You can generate images, create entire worlds, and bring your imagination to life with just a few clicks of the mouse. Third, it is incredibly versatile. You can generate images in different styles and categories such as photorealism, anime, cartoons, abstract, and more. You can also use negative prompts to exclude certain elements from your images. And finally, it is a great way to explore your creativity. Whether you are a professional artist or a beginner, this AI tool can help you break out of your creative rut and explore new ideas and concepts. It can also be a fun and enjoyable experience that you can share with your friends and family. However, there are also some potential downsides to using this AI tool. First, the quality of the generated images can vary depending on the prompt and settings you use. Sometimes you may end up with images that are not to your liking or do not meet your expectations. This is because the AI is still under development and learning from the data it is trained on. Second, the AI tool may not always respect your privacy or protect your personal information. When you sign up for an account, you may be asked to provide your email address, username, and password, which may be stored or shared with third parties. You may also be shown personalized ads or content based on your usage patterns, which may reveal your interests or preferences. And finally, the AI tool may not always be available or perform as expected due to technical issues, server problems, or maintenance. You may experience delays, errors, or interruptions in the service, which may affect your workflow or creativity. Overall, I think this AI tool is a valuable resource for anyone who loves to create or explore their creativity. The benefits of using this AI tool outweigh the potential downsides, and I highly recommend it to anyone who is interested in AI art or graphic design. Now let me show you how you can create your own masterpiece using this AI tool. First, think of an idea or concept that you want to express. This could be anything from a realistic painting to a fantasy landscape to an abstract design. Let your imagination run wild, and don't be afraid to be original. Next, enter the prompt into the text box. Be as specific and detailed as possible. Include keywords that describe the subject, style, mood, and composition of your desired image. For example, if you want to generate an image of a woman in a forest, you can enter a beautiful woman with flowing hair standing in a lush green forest. Choose the aspect ratio, height, and width of your image. This will determine the size and shape of the output image. You can select from different presets or customize your own dimensions. Fourth, select the number of images you want to generate. This will create multiple variations of your desired image. You can choose from 1 to 20 images per generation. Fifth, select the model you want to use. This will determine the style and quality of the output image. You can choose from different models such as Stable Diffusion 1.5, DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion 2.0, and so on. Finally, click on Generate and wait for the results. This may take a few seconds to a minute or more, depending on the complexity of your prompt and the server load. Once the generation is complete, you will see a set of images that match your prompt. You can review the images and select the ones that you like the most. You can also remix the images by generating new images based on the selected images. And that's it. You have just created your first masterpiece using AI Artistry. Isn't it amazing? Share your creations with the world and get feedback from other artists and enthusiasts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on AI Artistry. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends, and also let us know in the comments section what you think about this AI tool. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and become part of our community. We will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning.